Hi, I'm Jonathan, originally from the East Coast of the U.S.
And I'm Wes, originally from Detroit, Michigan.
Wes and I have decided that we're going to create a YouTube channel on traveling throughout Southeast Asia and eventually the rest of the world, because this is something we've wanted to do for a long time.
Sure. Jonathan and I met earlier this year and we've been trying to figure out how to do it. And we decided now that it's 2019, we're just going to jump in and do it.
I have traveled extensively through Latin America and pretty extensively through Southeast Asia. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. And so I feel like my experiences with traveling in other parts of the world can lend some good perspective to a travel video.
Sure. I tend to live abroad I go to a country for a long time until I learn how to work, learn the language. And so I really dive into culture.
We've been living here in Shenzhen now collectively for about 8 years or so. I've been in Shenzhen for almost 2 years. Wes has been here for
about 7 now.
About 7 years, yeah. So we have a pretty good handle on the culture here in China, but we don't want to just make videos about traveling through China. So we wanted to bring you some videos of us traveling around the world. And we have a pretty interesting name that we came up for our new channel.
Eastbound and Up.
Why did we come up with the name Eastbound and Up, Wes?
Well, for me, it applies pretty well because I came here in my very early 20s, right out of university. And this is kind of where I grew up, if you will.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
I think that coming to Asia can give you a lot of, not just life experiences, but can give you a lot of opportunities in life that can better your life for the future. There's good opportunities to make money here. There's a lot of fun traveling experiences that you can do for a little bit of money, for pretty much very cheap.
Sure. You also gain a really new and enlightening perspective on the world. Specifically as an expat in a lot of Asian countries, you're in a one-race country and you are the outsider. And there are times where you feel that and it's uncomfortable, but then there's a lot of other times where it's liberating in a very strange and unique way that I think you can only experience through living it.
Sure. Just like you said, when I first came here, it was basically like being a celebrity. Everyone's kind of looking at you and pointing at you and wanting to take your picture. And some people that can bother, but I was like, hey, yeah, no, it's me. I'm here.
Sure.
So I think Up has a lot of different meanings for us. And Eastbound, obviously, we're both here in Asia. So that's kind of the reasoning behind the new name. What are our plans for the upcoming future with this channel?
Well, in the first 3 to 6 months of 2019, Jonathan and I are going to be going to probably at least 14 countries together, but maybe more. And we want to make a video at each destination. So that's a really big deal.
Sure. So we're jumping into this with both feet. We're going to just put all of our efforts into this and try to make the coolest videos we can about traveling, and bring you like the local culture, the local food, the local sights, and the smells and the tastes and everything that we can, anything that we can bring you to those of you who maybe live vicariously through YouTube travel channels.
Sure. So just a few things I want to ask you as our audience. If you could please like, subscribe, and comment. That would be super helpful, specifically the commenting. So you can let us know what you think about our video and let us know what you'd like to see in future videos and how we can improve the experience for you.
Yeah, great. Well, thanks. Wes, thank you so much. We're looking forward to making these videos and sharing with you our experiences. As Wes said, please comment, subscribe, like our stuff, share it if you want. And we look forward to having you as our new audience.
Cool.